Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Good health and very happiness. Have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of this hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. Hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Style. Wavy curly hairstyling. And so beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. Different collection of spiky hairstyle. Ideas in low maintenance spiky hairstyle in different haircut. And beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved eye. Trendy ideas of hair dye, blonde color. Burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. My ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, funky colors. Beautiful collection of different ideas of base color. Stylish ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Ideas layered, some idea step. Many much more stylish ideas, latest collection of no maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. You like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. You're stylish and you look too gorgeous. You look very attractive. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your family members and others. Please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.